Today I'm making homemade caramel corn. Welcome to White Shadow Fare. Make it homemade and make it with love. First, pop your popcorn. Make sure you haven't added any salt or butter to this. You need about 10 cups of popped popcorn. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 250 degrees. And then in a large pot over medium heat, you're going to add 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, and 1/4 of a cup of corn syrup. Also add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You're going to stir this as needed. And once it becomes completely melted, you're going to start stirring more frequently so it doesn't burn to the bottom of your pot. Now you're stirring frequently, continuing to cook over medium heat, and you're going to bring it to a low boil. So here you can see it's a low boil. I stir it and it starts bubbling right again. Turn off the heat and add 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract. Give it a good stir, and you're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now the baking soda is going to make it puff up. That's why you need that big pot. And then you'll be pouring this over top of your popcorn. Now if you don't have a bowl that is big enough for all of this popcorn, you can either put it into 2 batches, or my mother always made it in a brown paper bag from the grocery store and stirred it in that. I'm going to stir so that everything is evenly coated. Now the great part about caramel corn is this can just be an everyday snack. It's great for the beginning of the school year to put in the kids' lunch boxes. Caramel corn is perfect for any occasion. Think birthday parties, holiday parties, Halloween, you name it, it's good for. And at the holidays, I love giving this as a gift. Spread your popcorn onto lined cookie trays. Put them in your preheated 250-degree oven for about 20 minutes. And about halfway through that 20 minutes, you're going to stir and bake for the remaining 10 minutes. Once it is baked for a total of 20 minutes, you're going to let it cool. And remember, this is perfect for any get-together. I happen to only have holiday packets to put these in right now, so even though it's summertime, it was going into those. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. If you haven't already done so, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And thank you for joining me at White Shadow Fare.